Hey guys, it's me Barkarott, and today I wanna do a tutorial for people with zero experience about animation. Because there is this sort of practice method called the bouncing ball, and the idea behind it is that you need zero experience about drawing, you only focus on the technical aspect. And it's pretty straightforward. You only need to let the ball bounce up and down and time it properly and give it some weight. So we're going to do that today. Before we start, I got this idea from the book The Animator's Survival Kit by Richard Williams. So I give you a link for that in the description because it's really great. There are so many things covered and I really think that you only need that book and you get introduced to every technique. The other thing is, you need for this method no drawing tablet, you can do it with your mouse, but for the more complex stuff and for real animation, you need that drawing tablet. You can't animate with your mouse or on your phone, because I already met a few people who think this will gonna work, but trust me, you need these things if you take it seriously. So again, you can do it in every software with your mouse. If you search for all this kind of stuff, you find it in the description, and that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something. So okay, now we start. So the first thing what we will do is we just create a ugly line that we know where our ground is. So then we can already start and draw our first keyframe. So I do this pretty rough, but at the end, as something like a bonus, I show you a time-lapse video where you see how you would do that in Animate. So we do here the rough together and then you can see how it would be done in a studio. So this is our first frame, so the next keyframe would be in the air. So we make it really easy, we just trace over the ball again and then we move it up. Whoops. So we focus now only on the up position, from the ball from down to up. And you can see when I hit play, it takes a little bit too long in my opinion until the ball is in the air. So now let's see if this works. I think I think this works better. So now we already have our timing. So now we can go exactly in the middle of these two positions and draw our ball again. So again, to keep things easy, trace over one of the two keyframes and move it in the middle. And basically what happens in the down position is pretty much the same, so we can go there in after he was in the air and set again the exact same frame. So what we have is this now. So now we go only through and in between our ugly looking ball. So he is here, and rip. There. And because, you know, to keep things easy, we set it again reversed. So you see, now we have this, but it looks very stiff and mechanical. So let's give this ball some sort of, you know, a softer feeling. So you know what we do now is, when he is down, we erase this. And let's squash him a little bit. You know, like this. Now let's play it again. So you see, it already gets a little bit better. And you know, in the highest position, normally it don't goes this up down up down. It takes a little bit time before the gravity pulls the ball back down to the ground. You know, if that makes sense. So we go to our highest position. And to create their space for another frame. You see, between drawing 4 and 5 is now 4A, and we can also do that in the opposite direction again. So let's play it now. You see, it gets a little bit, yeah, it has now some gravity to it. It was before just going up, down. It has had no difference in speed and nothing organic. So basically what you see here now is the bouncing ball method, and it's really easy to do. It's pretty fast. You can do it with a mouse, and I guess if you do it with a mouse it looks even cleaner than my version here. But you know, now I go ahead, I will time-lapse this part and show you how this would look in anime style. So yeah, that's basically everything. This is how you can practice your timing and giving something weight. It's not perfect, but normally I would, to be honest, it bothers me a little bit. Wait. I copy frame 5. Enable my onion skin. Yeah, I like it now a little bit more. But that's basically everything. Leave a like if it helped you. If you have some tips what I should cover in the next video, then let me know. The video what I will do next is how to draw Dragon Ball Z faces, because someone on my Discord asked me to do a video about that. But yeah, let me know what you would like to see and I will try to cover that in the future. Again, leave a like if it helped you. Check out the links in the description if you don't have a drawing tablet, if you have no software, or if you wanna check out the book. Again, Animate's Survival Kit by Richard Williams. It's amazing, it's really great. But yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Most important, have an awesome day and we'll see us in the next video.